We're late. Tom, wake up!
Huh? What?
Get up now!
What time is it?
$7:40! School starts at 8!
Okay, let's go.
Mia, wake up. Time to go.
Mom, just 5 more minutes, please.
Two minutes, then come for breakfast.
Thank you.
Wake up, James.
No.
We are late! Wake up!
5 more minutes.
No, now! Get up! I can't believe this.
Good morning! What a beautiful day! Time to get up and play! I feel so good today.
Ugh, I don't want to get up. I hate school. I want to stay in bed.
Wake up! We have to get up for Mommy.
Huh? Why?
She works so hard. Let's make her happy.
Okay.
I slept so well.
I'm starving. I want breakfast.
Me too. Let's go eat.
Yeah.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, sweetie.
Hi, Mom. Hello.
Would you like some cereal and milk?
You are late for school. We must hurry after breakfast.
Okay, Mom. We will hurry. Yes, I am almost ready.
Good. Let's finish eating.
The phone says it's going to be sunny today.
That's nice. I'm going to get ready.
Yay! Can we play outside? Yes! With the ball. Hee hee, I'm taking this. Hey, that's mine. Finders keepers. Give it back. It's mine. Give it back. No, it's mine. Let go. Look what you did. It's everywhere. You started it. It's mine. Come on.
Enough! Look at this mess. Go wash up. We're late.
But Mom, it's her fault.
It's your fault we have milk on us.
No, it's not. It was an accident.
Be good and brush your teeth.
Yes, Dad. Okay, Dad.
That's my good kids. I'm going to prepare the lunch boxes. Keep brushing.
Okay, Daddy. Let's brush together. Yes, my teeth are clean.
I brush my teeth every day.
Me too. It's important.
Yes, for clean teeth.
And fresh breath.
Revenge!
No, I am crying.
You are messy.
Stop it. It is not funny. It's my toy. No, mine.
Hey, what's going on? Stop shouting. Stop that. Get dressed now.
Okay, Mommy. We will be late?
Yes, hurry and get dressed.
Where's my yellow dress? Yay! I found it! Now I am ready for school. I put my pajamas on, and now I dance and sing. Dancing makes me happy, happy as can be. I don't want to wear the red shoes. I don't like red. It's not my favorite. Can I wear the blue shoes?
Why aren't you dressed?
I don't want the red shoes. I want the blue ones.
We're late. Just put them on. Shoes okay? We must go quickly.
Yes, Dad. All good.
Good. To the car now.
Okay, I'm going.
Children, it's time for school.
Okay, Daddy. What will we learn?
Many new things. Be good.
Okay, a sandwich for the kids. And now an apple.
and some raspberries. Here's your lunchbox.
Thank you, Dad. Do you have everything for school?
Yes, Mom, we are ready.
We are ready. Okay, let's go.
Yes, we are late.
Oh no, the car keys, I forgot them.
Again, we are so late. Everyone, get in the car.
Okay, let's go.
Yay, car time! I want window.
Okay, get in.
I'm excited. I like school.
Ugh, school.
That's the spirit.
Oh, traffic! Please move, cars.
Relax, the school is not far.
It's already 8:10. School has started.
What? We're late! Oh no, we'll get in trouble.
I know. We'll hurry. It's dangerous to drive like that.
You're stressing me out by saying we're late.
But we are late.
I know. Have good day.
Thank you.
This is the second time you've been late.
Sorry, mornings are difficult.
Yes, very difficult. I am so embarrassed. The teacher was very angry.
We need to change. We need to wake up at 7, not 8.
Children, the teacher is not happy. Tomorrow we must not be late. We wake up early, okay?
Yes.
Yes, I'm on time. It's 7, wake up.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning. Time to get up. I wake up, James.
Yes, and me, I wake up Mia. Good morning, sweetie. Time for breakfast.
Morning, Daddy.
Let's go eat.
Okay.
Good morning, sleepyhead.
Morning, Mommy.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I'm happy now.
Good morning. Ready for breakfast?
Yes, I'm hungry. Me too. And school?
After breakfast.
Yay!
What do you want for breakfast?
I want cereal and juice. Me too. And an apple.
Here is your juice, dear.
My friends at school are nice.
That is good to hear.
What do you play with them?
We play games.
Children, time to get ready.
Okay, Mom. Okay.
All right.
I am going to get dressed now. But I don't know what to wear. This blue shirt or another one? I think the blue one with black pants. I need this blue shirt today. Time to get ready. Off to the bathroom. Brush my hair, feels so nice. Blow dry smooth, looking right. La la la, what a day.
It's 7:30. That's perfect. I put on my jacket. Now I am ready. You were very good this morning.
And we are not late for school.
Yay! We are happy. Bye, Mommy.
Bye, darling.
Bye, Dad.
Have a good day.
We will. See you later.
Ready?
Yes, good job.
Thanks.
I love the swings. Whee! The slide is fun. The sand is nice. I like watching. Swing high. Tomorrow we wake up our parents. And we make breakfast so we are not late. Yes, a surprise. I'm tired.
Me too.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay.
Pouring the milk now.
Okay, mix it well.
It's looking good.
Yes, a surprise. Shh, don't wake them.
Okay, I'll be quiet. This is their door.
Ready? Time for school.
Oh, breakfast. Thank you.
No school. It's Sunday. Thanks for watching us.
Subscribe.